Generating high-quality leads is crucial for any cleaning contractor to expand their business and secure long-term clients. A steady stream of targeted leads fuels your growth and helps you build a sustainable client base. Attracting leads may seem difficult, but using a clear and organized plan can make it easier and more successful. In this blog, we'll explore actionable steps to generate high-quality cleaning contractor leads that can set your business up for success. Before diving into lead generation strategies, it's essential to understand your ideal client zone. It helps you focus on valuable leads rather than reaching out to everyone and hoping for the best. Understanding the specific needs of each client type helps you focus your marketing, so you attract the right leads that match your services. For many prospective customers, your website serves as their initial point of contact. To make it a powerful lead generation tool, ensure it is optimized for search engines and user experience. Here are some steps to follow. 1. SEO is vital to make your website discoverable when people search for cleaning services. To improve your website's visibility, use the following strategies. 2. Conversion-optimized design. Make it easy for visitors to convert into leads by optimizing your website's design. Paid advertising can significantly speed up your lead generation efforts by putting your business in front of potential clients. The two most effective platforms for cleaning contractors are Google Ads and social media ads. Google Ads allows you to target specific keywords, such as commercial cleaning contractors or office cleaning services, while social media ads focus on platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn offer strong targeting options to reach decision-makers in businesses or homeowners for cleaning services. Networking is a powerful strategy to generate leads in the cleaning industry. Partnering with businesses that serve the same target audience can help you find new growth opportunities. Joining cleaning or property management associations helps you connect with potential clients and business partners. Many associations offer members access to exclusive directories, networking events, and forums where you can present your services. Form partnerships with businesses that serve similar clientele. By building these relationships, you can consistently receive referrals and attract high-quality leads. A lead magnet is a valuable part of the content that you offer in exchange for contact information. It can help you attract more qualified leads by providing them with something useful. Create downloadable resources such as a guide to hiring a cleaning contractor or the ultimate checklist for office cleaning. By offering this valuable information, you can capture genuinely interested candidates in your services. Consider offering new clients a discount on their first service or a free trial. This can entice potential clients to try your services and help you stand out from competitors. Several cleaning contractor-led platforms specifically cater to cleaning contractors. These platforms match contractors with clients who need cleaning services. While some may require a fee, they can provide a steady flow of leads that are actively looking for cleaning services. Email marketing is an effective way to gain organic leads and convert them into paying clients. Building a mailing list allows you to keep in touch with potential leads and send them regular updates, promotions, or valuable content. Word-of-mouth marketing remains one of the most powerful tools for generating high-quality leads. Satisfied clients can refer your services to others, helping you grow your business organically. Generating high-quality cleaning contractor leads requires a multifaceted approach that combines digital marketing, networking, and client engagement strategies. By focusing on your target market, optimizing your website, leveraging paid ads, and building partnerships, you can consistently attract leads that convert into loyal clients. Implement these strategies to enhance your lead generation efforts and position your cleaning business for long-term success. 7Binology specializes in generating cleaning contracts for our partner contractors in the USA, Canada, Australia, and the UK since 2012. Join now and watch us build your portfolio of accounts behind the scenes. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and see you next time.